So hey guys, welcome back. This is Aman Gupta. Welcome to Traders Traders. So this is the daily analysis session and first of all हम अभी निफ्टी का ट्रेड देखेंगे. So starting with the Nifty chart and those who have watched the previous video, ठीक है. So uh, hopefully उनको याद होगा कि I have said that this is the monthly low and the last swing low which Nifty want to target. But before Nifty is targeting, we got some good news, and that good news today came. And what is there? Ki tomorrow we can open at same like 600 or maybe 400 points upside. Okay, possible or can be possible. Flat opening can be also possible. So see, it is usually the last 5 days we have got straight fall, and after this straight fall we need some pullback, and that pullback should be like this. And if this continues like this, and market again here sideways becomes, so possible is this कि tomorrow after going opening market at gap up, so that gap up will try to take this liquidity. Okay, which liquidity is remaining 23,800. Suppose we are opening above 23,000 or below above this line. Okay, above previous last Friday's closing. So if we are opening above this closing, so can be possible that market will be targeting this high target. Okay, and don't be in a hurry after gap up. Okay, because if gap up is happening, so don't be hurry in to take the trades, because whatever happens is whenever any gap up or gap down happens, the market usually goes for the sum up to 11 o'clock. It goes like this and then again upside and again go down. Okay, so the premiums are becoming decaying, and tomorrow is Nifty expiry, so premiums will decay, and you have to be remain very cautious for the taking the Nifty options. Okay, so try only Sensex if you want instead of Nifty. Okay, understood. Now, I am not thinking what to do in this current scenario. Like scenarios are very much okay. Like can be possible of not opening gap up or not possible of sometimes it happens many things. Okay, so in the war time, the market is always insane, and we can't do what we market do. Okay, we have to just follow the price. So always we have to follow the price action. If the hourly candle is also bullish or bearish, you can follow the hourly candle. Like today, you can see Nifty. The first hour candle was bearish, and the second hour candle also it formed bearish, and one spike came, and that spike you can see like this green one. This green was a what trap for the retailer. Maybe possibilities are there. Many people have. This was the initial buying. Okay, and after that market came downside to take the make them exit those who have entered here, and also to make or hunch liquidity of the downside. Because if you will see in the options, this low was broken, whereas in Nifty low is not broken. Okay, so this is how what is happening sometimes. So possibilities are there that tomorrow, if we are opening this at level, so this gap will be acting as a resistance. Okay, we have only this gap, so you have to just mark this gap, and you have to see what is the behavior. If the market is opening above this gap, okay, so you have to see if this opening is a gap upside, so this will be acting as a support, and if it is not opening here, so it will be acting as a resistance at this area, and you can try here a bearish side trade. That will be a sell on rise trade. Okay, so you have to maintain a sell on rise stance in Nifty for tomorrow. Okay, this is for the Nifty. Now we will shift to the gold and other commodities. So starting with our gold trade, what happened in the gold? As you know, yesterday same happened. You can see this liquidity I have won. Okay, and the same last swing which was very here. Market today fall very much, and the same after that we have recovered very good upside. The only thing which I is concerned that the concerning point should be happening that Nifty, sorry, gold should not close green. Okay, or it should not close red. Anything. If you are thinking for the bearish, so it should have been closed up green. If it is bearish, so possibilities are there. Again, there can be some selling from higher levels, and that selling will again take Nifty gold downside. Because due to the news basis, now sometimes market traps the liquidity hunting. Okay, first it took the entry, make people to enter at these shorts. Those who have entered their shorts, their stop losses will be most of the time higher side only. And now you can see we are getting some sideways action in the day highs. Now this area is also a gap, so it will act as a support and selling pressure area. Okay, supply area, and that will be active. So now what you have to follow the bigger time frame. Just see what is happening in the last hour or bigger time frame, and you have to follow that. Same in the silver. If the silver also going like this only, you can see now the gap has been filled and silver is trying to go upside. So if possibilities are there, then silver should hit 2,30,000 by the day end if this happens same, because silver is almost becoming green almost. So it should have try to close the previous closing, and it will cut. Okay, once the previous close has been crossed, okay, this is the previous close. Once it crosses up upside, so it will be hunting this upside level, that is 2,34,000 in the silver. Otherwise, if this happens, same candle forms red or any bearish signal we have getting, so again it will try to for the downside. Okay, now it is better to take a sell on rise trade or upside. Okay, only after the price confirmation. Don't trade up before price confirmation. Now we will again shift to another asset, that is commodity, crude oil. So for crude oil today we have got a very good point here. We have sold at this area, selling area, and after this selling area you should have seen the market have almost got 1000 points. Okay, 1000 points we have got in the crude oil. Now after this, due to war news, now what you think with is on the daily basis of time frame, the crude oil chart is showing bearishness. Okay, now the crude bearishness has been showing, so it will be some possible that we might see some correction in upcoming days, and possible we might see from this area as a supply area, and because the war has been stopped, so people will try to, or the big players will try to profit booking those who have entered here. Okay, so that's all guys from this today's analysis. Have a nice and good night, guys. Bye bye. Take care.